At Saint Simon and Jude, beauty is growing all around us, and so much of the thanks is dedicated to a group of volunteers known as the Diggers. The Diggers help care for the parish gardens throughout the week, working mornings, evenings, and whenever the garden needs a little extra love. They plant flowers, care for plants, pull weeds, collect seeds, and even help find or receive donated plants to bring new life to our parish grounds. And their work does not stop in the garden. Seeds collected from the flowers here are often planted back into the church gardens or shared with parishioners who like to grow some of the same flowers at home. So how can someone get involved? It's simple. Just show up. There's almost always a digger in the garden, ready to welcome you and help you get started. You do not need experience. You might begin by pulling weeds, learning what belongs, what does not, and how to care for the space. The Diggers are more than a gardening group. They are parishioners sharing their time, talents, and love for creation, helping make Saint Simon and Jude a more beautiful and welcoming place for everyone. To learn more, visit the Saint Simon and Jude website or call the parish office and ask how you can connect with Diggers. The Diggers, growing beauty, community, and faith, one garden bed at a time.